Hey, true, bet that up for the track. We gon' take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts. Oh yeah, if you're broke but you're still pimping, drinking, smoking, then say, oh yeah, if you're ballin', buying bottles, then say, oh yeah, my man, if you're pimping, you're sketching,
Hey guys, how y'all doing? I'm Sean. This is my 2Fast 2Furious Eclipse Replica. So this is my 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse Spyder GTS. I originally bought it from a nice guy in Ventura County, around LA area, for about $1,000. The car was black, probably painted the second time. Bone stock, had the original wing, going side to side. Super high car. Was super funny to see it. I barely made it home. The clutch was done. I drove it directly to the shop to replace the clutch to a new one, and from over there, body kit, wheels, everything. So the body kit is a Shine Street body kit, front and rear bumpers, side skirts, fender flares, a wing. It's supposed to have a carbon fiber hood also, but it didn't have from APC. It's supposed to also have the gauges from APC, but I don't have it yet. Yes guys, it's a work in progress. Mainly this car was built for fuel fast, in a budget of time of 2 weeks. Yep, you've heard it right, 2 weeks. This car, as you see it right now, was built in 2 weeks. It was amazing. So many people helped out. We had a friend from Italy helping us out to get the steering wheel by Simone Racing X3. He was buying it from eBay Italy and shipped it. The steering wheel literally got here a day before Fuel Fest. To any of you guys who don't know, Fuel Fest is an event, a car show hosted by Cody Walker to honor his brother Paul, rest his soul. And yeah, it was amazing. The wing, we actually installed it the night before Fuel Fest. We were drilling. Me and my buddy William was drilling like 1 a.m. at night. Don't know even how we got it aligned. Amazing. The wheels are Lowenhart BR5, 20-inch wheels, 3-piece wheels. I got 2 sets from 2 different cars used. I had to take them all apart, go to the manufacturer, chrome them, the centerpieces, and then assemble them together. Crazy story. I literally didn't make it in time for the show. The livery on the car is an actual wrap. We actually printed it. It was done by 3D Wraps, super nice dude named Andrew. He literally took a designer. The designer sat for a week watching the movie over and over again, doing screenshots, printed it out, measuring everything so everything would align, everything would be great, everything would be a movie accurate, and we actually printed it and just installed it on the car. It was awesome. Interior, I found it online. Supposed to be all upholstery, gray, combination of gray and black on the dashboard and everything. And yeah, I couldn't afford upholstery and the time consuming it would be to do the whole interior of the car. So I just went ahead, bought a spray on that you can actually spray paint on top of the actual original upholstery of the car, and Literally every day after work, I just sat at night and spray painted it on the dashboard and the side door panels. Yep, you've heard it right. It's like 2 a.m. freezing cold. My body got me his shot. The car is all messed up. I'm painting shit, I don't know how. All for fucking Fuel Fest. The seats, the brackets, the wing. Damn. Hopefully we're gonna make it. For my opinion, the car came out literally great. We brought it out in time for Fuel Fest. Tyrese was there. He saw the car. He flipped over it. Tons of people around the car. Tyrese was there. He was screaming, "Is that my car?"
Yeah, buddy! What do you think, bro?
Oh my God, is that my car?
Yes, sir. We did that for you, bro.
Yeah, your car, bro. Wait, you're in front of my car. That's Pearce's car.
It was an awesome moment. Unfortunately, I wasn't there. Why? Because I went to buy an umbrella for everybody who wasn't there. Fuel Fest, unfortunately, was raining, and it came to a point I got sick of it. So I was like, hey, I'm just gonna go and buy an umbrella. Okay, I went to buy an umbrella. That was the exact moment Tyrese was coming in, mingling with people, and just came to the car, saw the car, flipped over it, and I wasn't there to show it to him. The car was locked. He was trying to get into the car, and yeah, it was just a huge miss out for me. But yeah, anyway, that's the car. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until the next adventure. Peace out. Thanks.